Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Sobat Getris, now we learn how to plagiarize logo. Yeah, for example, this. Okay, I will zoom this object first. Press function 2. That's it. After that, we can lock this object. Yeah, you can choose right click and lock object. Okay, let's try, but I will teach how to use this, and we can modify the logo. Okay, I'll zoom first like this. Wait, okay, make your comfortable view. Okay, I will use Bezier tool. 1, okay, 2, maybe 3. Okay, just like this. Yeah, use shape tool and make convert line to curve. You can plagiarize this. Okay, like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, okay. On line control, yeah, node control here, you must make smooth, yeah, smooth curve, yeah. If you want to make smooth, yeah, you can make look like this, yeah. The center, node control, we must one line, yeah, one line. This the result is smooth curve. Okay, now we'll try to this the node control. Okay, and this the node control. Okay, yeah, that's it. One. Okay, now I will try to create this. Yeah, for this. Okay, after that we can combine, arrange, combine. Okay, Control C, Control V, and you have the duplicate. I will try to resize like this, maybe. Yeah, after that I will move here. Okay, terus okay, okay, will this apart, yeah, arrange, break curve apart. Okay, let's try. You can, okay, a bit, okay, a bit, yeah. Okay, if you want to make a different position, okay, I'll keep view, snap to object, and check snap to guideline. Yeah, okay, move here. Okay, I will try to create this on this. Try to, okay, set. Okay, here. Okay, short. Yeah, thing is enough. Not smooth, yeah. Okay, it's for it. Okay, break curve, Control C, Control V, maybe here, Control C, Control V, maybe here. I will Control C, Control V. Okay, let's try like this. Yeah, use okay here like this. You can control the node control here. Sorry, this. Okay, 1 2 3. Yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe I will try to maybe give another, like for example, yeah, for example, and we can finish now the, yeah, okay, wait a minute, back down. Okay, after that we can choose this and give. Okay, the last, okay, I will group. After that, Control C, Control V here, arrange, transformation, position. You can choose select and mirror, and we can mirror horizontal, play. After that we can put here thingnya. Okay, shift, align, button. Okay, I think it's great position, and we can make okay for the last topic. Okay, like this. Yeah, okay, that's it. Make two curve, make a curve like this. Yeah, okay, last, yeah, and Control C, Control V like this. You can make a mirror, and we can put here. Okay, I will active view snap to object like this. That's it. Button shift and arrange, combine, and we can join the node. And you can coloring this object. Yeah, here too, and another shape or object. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobat Tris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.